Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Happy Frank from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down, and then let's bring it up on the right side. Next, let's hop inside and draw the mouth. Let's start inside on the left, and let's draw a wavy line up and curve it back around. And then inside, let's draw a wavy line across the center. Now let's add the teeth. Let's draw 3 diagonal lines in the top section. And then 3 in the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and let's add a curve on top here. Then let's move over on the right and let's add a circle for the eye. And then draw another smaller circle inside on the bottom. And now let's color this one in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move up and draw the horn. From the left side, let's draw a large curve up. And then let's curve it back down. Next, let's add a V-shaped point up. Then let's curve it upwards. Curve it back up again. And down and over to the right. Now on top, let's add the ear. Let's draw a curve up and an S-shaped curve back down. And then on the right side, let's add one more small bent line. Next, let's hop back down, and on the right, let's add one more curve next to the head here. Next, let's hop to the left side and let's draw a curve down and then bring it back in. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the body. Let's start on the top of the head and let's draw a wavy line down like this. Then let's angle it down for the arm. Now for the other side of the arm, let's move inwards and let's draw a curve down. And then another angle down for the other side. Now for the end, let's bring it in from both ends, leaving a gap in the middle. Then let's draw 2 S-shaped curves down. And connect them at the end. Now let's move back up next to the arm here and let's draw 2 curves. Then leave a gap and then one more underneath. And that's it for the right arm. Next, let's hop back over under the head and draw the shape of the belly. Let's start with the curve out and then bring it back down. Then let's curve it back up and over to the right. Now at the end here, let's add the leg. Let's move underneath the arm and let's draw a wavy line down. Then let's curve it back up for the foot. And then add 3 curves inside at the bottom. Next, let's hop over underneath on the left and let's draw another curve down for the other foot. And again, 3 curves inside. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's hop back up and draw the other arm. Let's start on the left side of the head here, next to the teeth, and let's draw an angle out. And then curve it down. And then let's add one more curve inside the top of the arm. And that's it for Happy Frank. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!